This week on Smart Tips and Tricks, we're cooking duck. You're not going to want to miss this. Let's get to it. We're cooking duck today, and I'm telling you, it's straight from Montana. You're going to love this. Cuco, how are you going to prepare this?
All right, so we have duck breast. We're gonna sear it and cook it in the pan. You can cook it whatever temperature you want inside, but the best way is just to cook it medium rare.
But it's a very thin piece of the breast.
Correct.
So it will cook quickly.
Exactly. And I roast some potatoes. We have escarole, that's gonna be our sides. I have some demi-glace, some cherries and brandy. So we're gonna make our sauce with these three ingredients: butter, demi-glace, cherries and brandy.
Well, this looks absolutely delicious. Get the recipe below, and let's get started.
All right, so we can start with the escarole. Salt, pepper, and we can start off with our sauce as well. So it's gonna be ready. And how we're gonna start this with water. So now we can add our cherries. And demi-glace. They're being cooked with brandy.
Okay.
So it preserves the sweetness to it.
Very good.
So I'm gonna turn off the escarole.
Now I know that you're not using oil as your base when you're cooking the duck. Why is that?
As I said, olive oil burns on high temperatures. Water does not.
So you get a nice, even, crispy.
Right. All right. So now add some salt and pepper.
So you really want to be attentive when you're cooking the fillet of duck because it is such a thin piece of meat.
Correct. Nice and seared.
All right, so as you're cooking, what's the internal temperature that you want this piece of duck to be?
I would call like a 120, 125. So we're gonna let it rest for a few minutes. Just not too overcooked.
So it'll still cook once you take it off the flame once it's resting.
Right. Right.
You can start plating.
Correct. So we're gonna start with the escarole. Let's cook roast the potatoes.
And what did you put on the potatoes?
So I put garlic, thyme, and rosemary. It's something easy to make. Let it rest for a few minutes. So we're gonna like this. We have, and as you can see,
It's medium rare.
medium rare. So we're gonna add it here, put it right here. We're gonna save that. I'm gonna add a little bit of our sauce.
All right, Cuco really crushed this one out of the park once again. For all you waterfowl hunters, this is your meal, and you can get the recipe down below.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned as much as I did. Make sure you like, subscribe, and remember, the full recipe is in the link below.